Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you this May 2019 Vantage finished in Divine Red. Let's take a look around the car. Now, Divine Red has proven to be a really popular colour for us. It's such a rich and elegant colour that really comes alive in the light. So you can probably see here from this angle it looks very dark, almost black, but with a reddy hint. And then if we come around into the sun, look at the way the colour just completely changes. Absolutely beautiful. So this is a fantastic spec car that has been really thought about. It's consistent all the way through. First of all, it's got the black pack, which gives you the black lowers. These shadow finish wheels, which look superb. You can see the black pack continuing down the bottom of the car. And then the black window surrounds and black roof. So that consistent theme all the way through. And then to the rear, black lowers to the vehicle, and then quad exhaust, which of course sound absolutely fantastic. Come around to the passenger side. Again, looking at that colour, it's just incredible the way it changes from every angle. The condition of this car is beautiful. So it's a one-owner vehicle, supplied new by HWM. And as you can probably see, wheels, paintwork are all in fantastic condition. There is the odd light stone chip on the bonnet that I can see. But overall, this car has been really looked after. Let's have a look at the interior. So Obsidian black throughout, to the extent that it's got black Alcantara roof lining as well, which looks really sporty. Piano black gloss trim, and that can be seen on the doors here as well. And then a nice contrast stitch which shows up all of the contours, and that's really visible on the seats and those classic Aston wings, which is also echoed in between the seats as well, beautifully embroidered. So this car has electric and heated seats. It has the central touch control, electric steering wheel and cruise control. It's a really nice spec car, has everything you need in the cabin here. Keyless entry to get into the car, and also it's got, just on the mirror here, blind spot monitoring, which if you've ever used it can be literally a lifesaver. Coming around to the boots, we always comment on Vantage and how practical it is, because it's a lift hatch and it's a really useful size. So it's great for a trip away, and it has the ability to extend this boot capacity by popping down that shelf there for you to be able to load through. There is also a bit of extra space behind the front seats, which just allows for jackets or soft bags to be stored as well. So actually, yeah, you can fit in rather a lot for a bit of a road trip. Now, I should mention that the Vantage has 3 years warranty from you, so this will have the balance of that warranty, and it also has a 5-year service plan. Again, it will enjoy the balance of that too. So one stunning one-owner Divine Red Vantage. Do contact us if you want more details, but otherwise, thank you for watching.